back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to record daily wins using Reflectly. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to record wins using Reflectly, then you need to simply go to Reflectly first. Once you go to Reflectly, you need to use it as a core of journaling feature. You need to use it as a journal book of your own, which is guided process. So you need to simply get logged in into your account, and you need to now start logging your feelings. You need to add details about your day, and the app will let you write about it in depth. However, the app does not have a specific wins button, but its structure encourages you to note positive events. So you need to open the app, select the overall mood, and narrow down your feelings. After you have done this, you need to elaborate on what happened and complete the entry. Now you can review your progress and you're all done. So this way you can record daily wins using Reflectly. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.